Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at the new model from Solido, this Nissan GTR R35 Liberty Walk. This is the Paul Walker tribute and it was released last month. I have to say I really like the paint scheme, but not as much as the yellow one with the black. I think that is my favorite one. Let's start in the front. Everything looks pretty good. We have some carbon fiber texture on these parts uh, in the front. Also we have the intercooler there, the GTR logo there as well. Next we have these massive wheels in black, which look pretty good. Also we have the brake disc and brake caliper, which also look good. Some more carbon fiber texture here on this part. This one is gloss black. And in the back we have the license plate with Paul and the Florida license plate. Also we have more stickers here, and also the exhaust which has the tips in blue, sorry. And also we have this huge diffuser and huge wing. The wing you can uh, remove, so you can have it in both ways. I think this is the attack mode and this is a drag mode, or the way around. But I think it still looks pretty good. Let's open the door to check the interior. Let me zoom in. Of course it has the steering on the other side. Let me open the side as well. There we go. I think the interior looks pretty good. It's basically the same with the other Liberty Walk models. But tell me what you think. Are you going to buy this instead of the others, or are you gonna buy to complete the lineup? Also, in the next few months, I think Solido will release another livery for this model as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.